Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy premium on Bumble. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward by using your credentials or your Facebook account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will end up within the People menu, from which you can start matching with various different profiles. Now, after you have made a few swipes, you will notice that you are not able to access any more account because you are using the free version. So in order to upgrade and get unlimited swipes, tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner and you will see the premium menu. Tap on Explore Premium and you will see the various different options. Explore the various options and then choose the option that is suitable for you. Once you tap on the respective option, you will be asked to continue forward with your payment method. If you don't already have one, tap on the Add Payment Method option and proceed forward with your credentials. After you verify with your payment method and complete your transaction, the premium package will be activated on your Bumble account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate premium subscription on your Bumble account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.